Hello everyone, welcome back again. For development, even you can use Windsurf also. In the place of cursor, you can use Windsurf. Even you can use Claude AI or ChatGPT, any other large language models, Bolt, V0. These all are to generate code. And also we use cursor to develop projects within the system. Even you can use Windsurf. It will work same like cursor. The place of cursor you can use Windsurf also. It will give the same results like cursor.ai. Let's create a folder same like cursor.ai. Let's create a folder. I am creating a folder for website creation. I am creating a folder for website creation. Code with Cascade. Basically, VS Code integrated with Windsurf. Also, you can select VS Code. Same like cursor, here you can write prompts to generate code or to generate websites. Even you can generate games also. Same like cursor. See, I am using the prompt which I generated in the prompt engineering final video. By using simple task, I generated complex prompt, right? That prompt I am using here to generate a website. Let's see. See, this is the prompt which we generated in the prompt engineering. Simple prompt to complex prompt. This is the prompt I generated by using large language models. Just copy the prompt and I am using here. Let's use enter. Here same like cursor, there is models like Claude, GPT-4.0, Claude 3.5, Claude 3.7. This is Claude 3.7. So always I select 3.7. Even you can use Claude 3.7 thinking also. I am going to 3.7 Sonnet. See, click enter. The place of cursor I am using Windsurf. Even you can use cursor also. This is one more option you can use for development. Let's enter. See, it's generating a website by using my prompt. This prompt generated by using simple prompt with large language models. In the video prompt engineering, the last video, we generated a complex prompt by using simple prompt. This is the prompt which I am using now. Let's see. Still it's generating same like cursor. You can use Windsurf also, an AI tool to generate code. You can generate websites, landing pages, games. You can build anything by using a Windsurf AI. Even you can generate the whole project, website project by using cursor and Windsurf. See, just I created a folder. Within the folder, the files are generating same like cursor. Still it's generating a website. Same like cursor, you can download Windsurf AI tool by using Google. Download Windsurf AI tool and install same like cursor. Accept. In the place of image, you need to customize the images. In the place of images folder, you can create an image with the name of hero-image.jpg, and you can place in the images folder, or you can change this URL path according to your requirement. So you need to customize the URL paths to the folders. Say it's saying done. Let's see the final output. Before that, ask to interlink all HTML files each other. Interlink all HTML files each other. It is saying I will make sure all the HTML files are properly interlinked with each other. Let's see. Once it finished, we'll check the project. But here it use images. You need to customize those images according to the. See here, it is created a images folder. In this images, in the images folder, subfolders are there. So there are no images in these folders. So you need to customize those images. You need to create images and paste here according to these URLs. Then only you can see the images in the website. Let's wait for a few more seconds. It's interlinking each HTML page. These are the HTML files which we generated just now. Now it's generating blog page also. See, it's saying done. It's created like I have successfully created and interlinked all the HTML files for your website. Here's summary of what I have done. Index, about, service, contact, portfolio, blog, HTML pages. So these are all the things which we created just now. Let's see the preview. See, this is the website which we created. This is the mobile version. This is the website what we created just now by using Windsurf. In the place of images, you must need to customize those images within the images folder. You need to create images and place here according to the URLs. Then only you can see images in the website. See, this is the website. See, according to your requirement, you can iterate your prompts to the AI tool. You can ask for modifications. See, there are few errors I'm seeing. You can ask to change these errors one by one. So you can iterate with AI tool according to your requirement. See, this is the contact page, but you can make it more better. See, it is using Google Map also. By iterating with AI tool, you can make it more prominent project. So this is the way how you can generate website. You can iterate, continue with the AI tool and make it more better and better website. Even you can generate games also, same like by using Cursor or Windsurf. You can use any AI tool for a development process. This is all about how to build a project by using AI tools like Cursor and Windsurf. Let's move on to next.